NYGATS training, certificate-only transfers, export. In this video, we will cover how certificate-only export transfers, otherwise known as unbundled certificates, can be made in NYGATS. Before a NYGATS user can initiate a certificate transfer of any kind in the NYGATS system, the two following things need to happen first. First, the user has an active account in NYGATS. Please refer to the account registration training documentation posted on the NYGATS informational website. Second, the NYGATS account holder has an active project with issued certificates or has previously received a transfer of certificates from another NYGATS account holder. Please refer to the project registration training documentation posted on the NYGATS informational website. With the above two prerequisites met, let's get started. Log into NYGATS and locate the account status module from your dashboard. Select the hyperlink value next to the active, which is a bit further down in the module under Account Activity. This will take you to a screen which allows you to select from the various blocks of certificates you will have in your account. From this view, you will see that you have access to a number of different tabs, each of which represent different sub-account types that you have in your account. If you have certificates from renewable projects in any of these sub-accounts, you have the ability to initiate export transfers from those certificates, other than from the retirement sub-accounts, as transfers of retirement sub-accounts is prohibited. Sticking with the active sub-account option, locate the block or blocks of certificates that you would like to transfer. From the left-hand column, check each row that you would like included in the export transfer. Once selected, if you want to edit the individual quantity of each block of certificates, you can do so. You will notice that as you add blocks and/or edit the quantity of each block, the number in the total quantity field above will update with each change. Once you are satisfied with the selections, select the Batch Transfer button. You will be taken to the Transfer Certificate screen. At the top of the screen will be a summary of the certificate blocks you have selected. Underneath this will be various transfer options you have. Since we are doing an export transfer, we will select the Export option near the bottom of the screen. Select the radio button from the form, and then select the compatible tracking system you are exporting to from the drop-down. If you are unable to locate the compatible tracking system in the drop-down, it would mean that the NYGATS does not allow for export to that system. Please contact the NYGATS administrator to discuss your options. Once you have located the compatible tracking system, you must then also provide the account ID and account name of your counterparty, importing the certificates exactly as it is listed in the compatible tracking system. Once completed, select the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. You will be prompted to confirm the transfer request in order for the action to be completed. Once you select OK, you will be taken back to the certificates in the sub-account page. At this point, the NYGATS system will have initiated an email notification to the NYGATS administrator as well as receipt to yourself. From here, you can confirm that the transfer has been initiated by viewing your outbox. Your outbox module is generally located on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see here that your transfer is pending acceptance by your counterparty. If you were able to view your counterparty's account, you would see a similar view, except it would be in their inbox. From here, if you need to withdraw the export transaction, you could simply select the withdraw link next to the block you would like to withdraw, or select the boxes and select Withdraw Selected. The transfer will remain pending until NYGATS administrator has completed the export process with the compatible tracking system. Once the NYGATS administrator has confirmed everything, the export request will be confirmed and the certificates will be marked as exported. You can review all export activity by accessing the export reports located in your Reports drop-down menu. For certificate-only exports, select the Certificate Export Report. This report will display all of your export activity by date with information on the certificates involved. Additional information about your NYGATS account can be accessed in the operating rule located on the NYGATS website, or by contacting the NYGATS administrator at nygats@apx.com, or by phone at 408-643-0167.